basic AutoCAD for 21st century learners tutorials. The following videos are open to anyone at any level, maybe CAD enthusiasts, would-be CAD operators, or even novice users. You may use this as your guide in discovering or exploring AutoCAD as software as tool in developing your CAD projects. Introduction to CAD and AutoCAD software, some of the basic draw commands, as well as modify commands are comprehensively discussed in the presentation. You can play and pause the videos to furtherly understand the lesson. And don't forget to perform the tasks relevant to the lessons which will be shown after every video tutorial. This would be supplementary activities in enhancing and mastering your skills. Parts of this lesson 3 of the tutorials, it show how modify commands be used in accomplishing your CAD projects. These commands used in modifying or editing drawings. Move, copy, erase, trim and extend or stretch, offset, and mirror commands were some of the commands presented in this section. If repeating the process to create same drawings is the problem in terms of speed, then copy command can be used to easily duplicate the drawing and its properties. In this video, copy command will be highlighted especially in duplicating objects through considering the base point and the second point of displacement. Same with move command.
In copying an object, we can use copy command. In the modify panel under home tab, hanapin ang icon na ito and click it. Gaya ng ibang command, you can type its shortcut key, which is CO o CP, o ang kabuang pangalan nito. Then, press enter or spacebar. Select the object na gustong kopyahin by clicking the left button ng mouse, then hitting the enter or spacebar key. So ngayon, we need to specify the base point. You can pick your base point anywhere at your drawing space, o maaring sa mismong parte ng inyong drawing o object. In this case, I will use the center of the circle as the base point. Activate the object snaps. Press Shift plus right click, then select center. Pagkatapos, move your cursor to the object para makita ang center ng object at i-left click ito. You can copy the object anywhere and then many times. You can press F8 to on and off the auto mode. Maaari ring kopyahin ang object with specific point at the drawing space through specifying the second point using the absolute coordinate values. Say, we will copy this object at 15, 20 coordinate. Type 15 as the value x, and 20 as the y value. Then hit enter or space bar. At nakopya natin ang object at specific location. Circle at 15, 20 coordinate. Let's move drawing space using pan command. Press and hold the scroll button while moving the mouse. This time, we'll copy the object using other object as reference in locating the copied object. Kopyahin natin ang bilog na ito sa ibang corners ng rectangle. Do the same steps. Type the shortcut key and press enter or space bar to easily activate the command. Select the object to be moved. Press Shift plus right click to see the object snaps. Pwedeng gamitin ang endpoint o intersection of two lines ng rectangle. Press intersection or if not, choose center in the object snap. Move your cursor to the circle then click it. Move the object, then determine the second point. Galawin ito papunta sa kabilang kanto ng rectangle. Shift plus right-click the mouse, then select intersection in the object snap to locate the exact intersection of two lines. Do it to the remaining corners of the rectangle object. You can also use the endpoint if needed. Pwedeng kopyahin ang higit sa isang object ng madalian using the shortcut key CO or CP. Enter. Select the objects gamit ang crossing. Then press enter or space bar. Specify the base point and specify the second or next point. You can copy it easily in many as you can gamit ang copy command.
so you can copy more than you wanted using this command.